What's up guys, I'm James, also known as Just Some Nerd, and I'm back with another video on the Spirit Halloween Ghostbusters gear. I've finally got the PKE meter here, so we're going to crack this open here in a few minutes and check it out. I'm going to do this video a little bit different. I'm going to shut up here in a second and I'm just going to show you guys the PKE meter, which is the only reason anybody's watching this video. But before I open it up, I want to remind anyone here that might be new, I have videos unboxing the Spirit Halloween Ghost Trap, as well as the goggles. I have a video on how I put together my Ghostbusters costume, just piecing things together from Amazon. And I also have a video on how I repainted my Spirit Halloween Ghost Trap. I also have some plans for a few more Ghostbusters related videos coming up. I plan on doing some mods to the Spirit Halloween Ecto Goggles soon, as well as some other fun stuff. I'd also like to remind you guys of the fundraising stuff that my team, the Ghostbusters West Virginia division, is doing. We have a TeePublic store right now, and we're raising funds to do a big Christmas toy drive that we do every year. And we're going to go out and get Christmas gifts for kids that are in less fortunate situations. And if you guys are interested in helping support that, I'd really appreciate it if you could check out our TeePublic site and maybe order a couple shirts or a handbag or a hoodie or whatever you like. Alright guys, now it's time for what everybody's here for. Let's open this up and let's check it out. It's pretty awesome.